Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Garmin Venu GPS Smartwatch. First off, I want to thank Best Buy Canada for sending this over. We have here the gold stainless steel bezel model with black silicone wristband. And you can see from the pictures on the side, it's got some gold throughout. A lot of exciting features on here. It has pulse ox monitoring, respiration monitoring, heart rate monitoring, in addition to the standard fitness tracker monitoring features like step counting and sleep tracking. It's got water rating of 5 atmospheres, so that means you can swim in shallow water with it. That's pretty exciting. And it's got pretty good battery life, 5 days in smartwatch mode, up to 6 hours in GPS music mode, and it's got a bandwidth of 20 millimeters, case size 43 millimeters. I'm excited to try out the on-screen workouts. It's got 20 built-in sports apps of different types, so that's quite interesting. And it's also got a Garmin Pay feature. It's got an AMOLED display, so I expect the display to look really crisp and really nice. So let's get this open and see how it looks. All right, we got the top of the box open. You can see the watch is sitting on the top and it's got a protective film on top of the display. So let's slide this out of the box. And it seems to be pretty secure, so we'll have to undo the band. And there we go. It looks really stunning, I gotta say. I think it's gonna fit quite nicely. Let's try it on right away. And there we go. Quite stylish. I like the look a lot so far. Let's take the display protection off. Now also inside the box, it looks like we're going to get a charge cable, and looks like it is standard USB with a proprietary connector on the other side. And inside the box we also have a manual, printed manual, as well as some safety instructions. So let's see if we can get this started and see how easy the setup is. All right, so we just push the button on the side and it starts booting up immediately. So here we go, we've got the setup screen. So we start by picking our English language and we got to pair with the phone. So we've got to skip ahead to the downloading of the mobile app to get the rest of the setup steps complete, and then we'll check in again. All right, we've gone through the basic setup steps with the app, and in total it took under 10 minutes, not too bad. And the watch is now ready to go. I just turn it towards me and then I can see the time, and I just swipe up to go through all of the different apps. And here's where I can see my heart rate and other measurements that it's actively taking. And you can customize what's displayed in here. So excited to try this out some more. Stay tuned to my channel. I'm going to have a full review video once I've had some time with the device, and I'm going to have a lot more great videos coming up. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more great unboxing and review videos. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.